Good morning, students. Myself, Mrs. Sarika Pawar from Gyan Mata Vidya Vihar Nanded, and I am going to teach you the subject English for class 2. This is our instructive English reader main course book by Dux Publication. Also, there is one English grammar book by Dux Publication, and there will be 3 lessons from each book for your pre-midterm exam. So, I open the book. Let us see the content. There will be 3 lessons from reader for your pre-midterm exam. Lesson number 1, 2 and 3. Let's begin with our first lesson, and the name of the lesson is A Honeybee Forgets Her Name. Dear students, in this lesson there is a honeybee who has forgotten her name, and the honeybee is trying to find it out. She goes to various places and asks many people about her name. And then what happens, let us see in the lesson. A honeybee is flying around a garden. She sits on a beautiful sunflower. The flower asks the honeybee, "What is your name?" The honeybee thinks for a few seconds. She has forgotten her name. In this paragraph, we see a honeybee is flying around in a garden and she sits on a beautiful sunflower, and the flower itself asks her what her name is. She thinks over it for a few seconds, but she is not able to answer it because she has forgotten her name. Then this honeybee goes to an old woman. She goes to an old woman. "Granny, please tell me my name," asks the honeybee. The honeybee asks Granny, who is in the garden. Granny means grandmother. She asks about her name. Then Granny says, "Oh my dear, I'm too old to remember. Go and ask my grandson," says the old woman. Then the old woman suggests her to go to her grandson because she is very old to remember honeybee's name. Let us see next page. I turn the page. Now the honeybee goes to Granny's grandson. "Granny's grandson, please tell me my name," asks the honeybee. When the honeybee asks her name to Granny's grandson, he answers, "I'm very busy, go and ask someone else," he answers. The honeybee becomes sad. Listening to his answer, honeybee becomes sad because she has forgotten her name and nobody is ready to tell her name. She becomes very sad, and on the way she meets a dog. Before she could ask something to the dog about her name, the dog says, "Hello honeybee, how are you?" "Oh my God, my name is Honeybee," says the honeybee and goes back home happily. When the dog itself greets her by saying, "Hello honeybee, how are you?" the honeybee gets her name, or she remembers her name, that it's Honeybee, and she becomes very happy and goes back her home happily. Dear children, in this lesson, I have explained you the lesson line by line. But if any lesson is very lengthy in future, until school reopens, I will be giving you the gist of the lesson instead of explaining it to you line wise. So my dear children, along with this explanation, I am sending you the notes of the lesson, hard words, meanings, opposites, and answer the following. Homework will be to read the lesson aloud at home. Means you should read the lesson loudly 2 times. And whatever notes I am sending in PDF, please write them down in a notebook. When you write in a separate notebook for English, please write the name of the lesson on the top and the date in the corner, and then follow the previous method by leaving one line. Write in legible handwriting, in readable handwriting. Have a nice day. Thank you.